right. So first off, I wanted to start off by reviewing this beautiful little Logitech Ultra Glow. So I had a Ring camera, ring light.
It's not like ring the like doorbell ring.
Did I still have it or did I throw it out? Anyhow, it broke.
It's
So
like a circle
mhm.
and the light was
Yeah, but we definitely need light. I need light. I feel like my complexion is terrible if I don't have light.
Can you get a one of those links for this?
An affiliate link.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll have to
I
check.
don't recommend it. It's made in China.
Okay. Have you ever been able to find a ring light not made in China?
Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah, like $1,000.
So I think this one was $50 at Best Buy. I like Best Buy. They have some good stuff and
Yeah.
reliable. So just wanted to kind of show you guys this one. This is the bad boy. So this is the ring light. It's pretty cool. I like it. In the back for the power button. Right. So turn it on and off.
Guys, like
Off,
I'm trying to set this
on. And then what is this? This is softer or cooler.
Makes me look like Orange Man Bad.
Check these out. And then that's brighter. I love it. And less bright. So it's pretty cool. And you can just sit it on top of your
Computer.
here's my convection kind of
You can put it on top of your computer. You can put it in a ball jar. Actually works pretty good. We should do that.
Do mason jar.
Because that way it doesn't get in the camera this way. Cool. We can see ourselves on the camera.
Awesome. So anyhow, I thought that was pretty. Ooh, that's really bright.
No
So
one.
$50. It seems sturdier. It's Logitech, so it's a better brand. I think we've had Logitech stuff and it's good quality. And so I'll see if I can find an affiliate link below for it. But anyhow, if you're looking for a replacement or alternative to the ring light, this I think you could probably attach this to. Probably attach it better to your, I don't know, just to just about anything. And see how bright it is. Like it's like ta-da. I mean, that's really bright. And my eyes are kind of wicked.
Line.
Anyhow. All right. Hopefully you found